Hello, this is Doug Marshall with Yacht Network coming to you from Lake Macatawa in Holland, Michigan. We have a special one for you today. This is a 1951 Chris Craft Riviera all mahogany 18-foot runabout. What a beautiful boat this is. Let's check it out. Hello again, this is Doug Marshall with Yacht Network. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this boat, please feel free to contact me at 616-265-7850 for a showing. You can find this boat and many others at www.yachtnetwork.com. Thanks again for watching, and make it a great day on the water.